Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to share the folders on Windows machine to the Rocky Linux 9 virtual machine, which is running on VirtualBox 6.1.36. So this is Rocky Linux settings. Left side you can see shared folders. So I am going to add the share folder. So this is the shared folder I am going to add d:/Python examples, which is on Windows host machine. So I am going to share this folder which contains some Python scripts. So provide the folder path. So uncheck auto mount. Auto mount means the folder will be mounted automatically, no need to run any commands. Next, provide the mount point. So I am providing the mount point as /Python examples. Click the OK button. So everything is fine. So this folder will be now accessible to Rocky Linux 9.0. Now start the Rocky Linux virtual machine. Okay, now I am going to terminal. Execute the command df-kh, which lists all the mount points. I can able to see that Python examples is got mounted. So I am switching as a root user. Only root user can able to access. So you can give permission as per your needs. For demonstration purposes, I am switching as a root user. So I can able to access the content of the mounted directory. Let me execute some Python script. Yes, I can able to execute also. So which shows that I am having read and execute permission on shared folder. So now next up I am going to show you how to access the shared folder in GUI environment. So click the file explorer, other locations, computer, Python examples. So click that directory. So it will ask for the root password for twice. Provide the root password for twice. Yes, so I can able to access the content in GUI mode also. Able to access the content. Okay, now let me try to copy some content. Let me try to copy some content to the Python examples, that is mounted directory. Yes, so I have copied some contents, that is this is the content of VirtualBox Guest Edition DVD ISO file. So now let me go to the Windows source machine. Yes, so I can able to see that content is copied successfully. So make sure that VirtualBox Guest Edition is installed in Rocky Linux 9.0.